Hello, hello. Happy New Year, everyone. Yeah, so hope everyone had a nice holiday break, had a good Christmas, and yeah, and the New Year. And anyway, we're back here today and of the New Year, and I have a little something that I'm gonna share with you all today. So what I have is an LED light bulbs that I had for some time now, and you can see this one is lighting up, right? It's still working. However, I have several others that have been burnt, so it's no longer working. Here, let me show you one here that is that is not turning on. So yeah, see, it's completely dead. So I'm gonna attempt today is to repair this light bulb, and because they have individual single LEDs in here, and so I'm gonna attempt to do that, and I'll show you how I go about. Okay, so stick around, and we'll do this project together. All right, thank you. Okay, so here we go. So let's take this light bulbs out. And so yeah, hopefully you have similar, these are the older type of LED light bulbs. And so what I'm gonna need is the this piece here, I don't know what you call this, the globe, or is come out easily. So yeah, so let me see. Yeah, see, yeah, you can see I cracked that open, and the globe just come out, just like this. All right, and so these are individual. So just carefully peel it off. I mean, pull it out like this. You can see, yeah, and. So basically, this is in series, right? They are like in a row of LEDs that stagger, one by one of the circuitry. So, all right. So, what I'm going to do is I need to apply. In my case, the easiest way I found was apply a voltage to individual, and that way figure out which of the LED is it has been burnt. Yeah, a lot of time you can tell from looking at it, but a lot of time you cannot tell either. It's by luck you see it, but you can see a black burnt mark. But in this case, I don't see anything. So, all right. Okay, so I have a power supply here that, and a meter. And what I do is I adjust to I say about 2.7 volt is what I set this thing at. Here, let me show you my voltage. Yep. Yeah. There you go. Yep. You can see it. Yeah, it's about. It's jumping around on me. Okay, there you go. 2.7 is what I set it at. Already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply to individual. So I'm gonna mark my way, start from the beginning of the circuit, because this is where it comes in. And so you can tell is the black wire is the negative, the ground voltage. But these individual, one lead has a shrink, a protective shrink tubing, and the other does not. It's a barely. So, and the bare one are the ground. Okay, so I'm gonna show you first one here. So I'm gonna attempt to do that first test, and I'm gonna apply to the other leg. Yeah, so you can see it's lightly lit. Yeah, hopefully you can see this a little bit better. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's a little difficult for me to demonstrate, but let me see if I can attempt again. Yeah. See that? Yeah, I think you can tell from that. So what I have to do is go one by one, which is kind of a little bit painful for me to go through. So far I see this first one seems like it's burnt. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, I think this first one is not letting. Okay, let me try the next one. Okay, let's see, this one, the next one will. Okay, this one, you can see it lit up. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, because if only one needed one LED to be burnt because they in series, and it'll cut off the whole, the whole power to the next one in line. So, all right. So I think we're kind of lucky that we found the first one, which is this guy here. That is no good. Okay, I'm gonna take that one out and put a new one in there and see. All right. Alright, so I got a little helper tool here that so I can use both of my hand easier. So this like I said, be careful with not damaging the circuit board. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so this pin came out. All right, so yeah, if you have something to pick up the excess solder to leave the hole, then it's and see, and do the other pin. There you go. Yep. Alrighty. So before I put in, I bought a whole bunch of warm LED. These are kind of yellow from online. Pretty much on eBay is where I bought it. And let me show you how. Yeah, I test these before I put them in. Okay. So let me, with the broken one that I removed. Okay, let's test that one again to make sure that it's actually burnt. So this is the broken leg. Yeah, negative. And you can tell that from LED. If you look straight down on the LED, there is a flat surface on one side where the negative is. That's usually that indicate the cathode. Cathode has a flat line. Okay, and yeah, so that's power on. So it's not working. Okay, so and up, yeah. So with the new LEDs, again, yeah. So what we said is the apply the surface. Okay, so all right, and then apply the voltage to it. See that? There you go. Yep. So yeah, there's a flat line on this side that's indicating the cathode or negative voltage you apply to. So test it out before you. Okay, so that's how you test out the LED. And then now I'm gonna, yeah, on the old one, I'm gonna remove the insulator off the positively. There's a clear, right here, you can see this clear piece. And I'm gonna slide that over to my new LED positively. Okay, just like that. There you go. And then I'm gonna insert back into the circuit board. Now, yeah, so these, I don't know if you can see, but there's also a positive on the hole where the positively is. So I'm gonna stick, yeah, the part where the insulator is back into the hole. Yeah, look like there's still maybe a clog. Okay, no, it's not. I'm sorry. So it slide over easily. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna just solder back. Yeah, just position it as close as the same height as the original. Just like that, right? Okay. And then just solder it back. Ready. There you go. Yep. And then solder my positive. Ready. And then cut off the access lead. All right, and then solder back my my positive wire to the whole circuit board. Yeah, so it was across the two pin. Just like that, folks. Alrighty, and pretty much that's how you fix it. How you fix this particular light bulb. Alrighty, so I noticed that maybe my negative solder has a slight void in it. I'm gonna just resolder that leg a little bit more. Right here, I can tell. Okay, that's much better. Okay, so after you've done that, just kind of make sure everything is aligned, and then just put back the globes. There you go. And right here, there's a alignment here that you just align with the thing, and then just snap back just like that. Okay, and then here's the moment of truth. Let's see, and then power on. There you go. Voila. That's how you fix the light bulb, folks. All right, that's all I have to share, you guys. Hopefully this helps somebody out there, and we wish you all the best and have a prosperous new year. All right, thank you all for watching. Take care.